first one is called Microwave Burrito. And it's about when I lived in Portland, Oregon, and spent all my time in all the grocery stores there had a cafe. All the grocery stores there had cafes, and I would spend all day in the cafes eating microwave burritos and other treats because that was the place I had to hang out. It was a difficult time. All right. Oh, I start this one too. Microwave burrito in the Whole Foods cafe. The microwave is broken, so it's always frozen in the middle. I use hot sauce to compensate or make up the difference. I never really fool myself though, cause it's chunky in the middle, frozen bits of icy meat. But that's alright, I take off my hat, I take off my gloves, and I read a book. I'll spend an hour trying to eat the damn thing, just waiting for it to thaw out. I'll spend an hour trying to eat the damn thing, just waiting for it to thaw doesn't look